Discover the Writing Guide Value Kit, a comprehensive set tailored to elevate the writing experience for individuals with visual impairments. Let's delve into the features that make this kit an essential companion for precision and independence. Experience enhanced writing control with our plastic guides.
This guide helped me
Specifically
writing
designed
on
for
A5
letter writing,
paper.
signature writing, check writing, and
This is an
envelope
check
writing.
guide.
These
This
guides
helped me
offer
in filling the
tactile
check
and visual
perfectly.
assistance, ensuring your writing maintains
And this helps me
proper
writing
spacing
A4
and
size
alignment.
paper.
Bold line writing
This
pen.
kit helps me to
Immerse
write
yourself
anything
in the joy
format,
of clear,
and it's very
bold
easy
lines
to use.
with our specialized writing pen. Our kit is neatly packed in a sturdy storage envelope, keeping your guides and pen together. Whether you're at home, school, or on the move, your writing essentials are conveniently stored and ready for use. Elevate your writing experience with the Writing Guide Value Kit, where precision meets convenience and independence is at your fingertips.
My name is Jaimin. I am a low vision, and I have so much problems in writing as per format. But with the help of this kit, I can easily write anything in format. This signature guide helped me in doing signature on the paper, and this guide helped in writing in a straight line on the paper. This guide helped me writing on A5 paper. This is a check guide. This helped me in filling the check perfectly. And this helps me writing A4 size paper. This kit helps me to write anything in format, and it's very easy to use.
Embark on a new chapter of confident and empowered writing today.